Best places to see in Paris. Welcome to Paris, the city of lights and history. With its rich history, stunning architecture, and iconic landmarks, Paris is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to explore one of the world's most beautiful cities. In this video, we'll be showcasing the best places to see in Paris. First on our list is Notre Dame Cathedral. This iconic cathedral is one of the most recognizable landmarks in Paris and is famous for its stunning Gothic architecture and rich history. Visitors can take a tour of the cathedral and climb to the top for panoramic views of the city. Next up is the Louvre Museum, home to some of the world's most famous artworks, including the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. The museum is one of the largest in the world and is a must-visit for anyone interested in art and history. The Champs-Élysées is one of Paris' most famous streets and is lined with luxury shops, theaters, and cafes. It's a great place for a leisurely stroll or for people watching. No trip to Paris is complete without a visit to the Eiffel Tower, one of the city's most recognizable landmarks. Visitors can climb to the top for breathtaking views of the city or simply enjoy the tower's beauty from below. The Seine River is another must-see destination in Paris. Visitors can take a boat tour down the river to see some of the city's famous landmarks from a unique perspective or simply enjoy a romantic walk along the river's banks. With its rich history, stunning architecture, and iconic landmarks, Paris is a city that never fails to impress. We hope you enjoyed this tour of the best places to see in Paris. Bon voyage! Subscribe.